Hi everyone, welcome to Chef Din's cooking tutorials. Here I'm going to show you how to prepare your ingredients, mix your spices and then cook the dish. Please pause the video now and get together all the ingredients you will need to create this dish. If you have not subscribed to my channel, now is the time to subscribe. Hit the notification button so you get notified when I post new videos. So let's not waste any more time and let's cook. Hi and welcome, I'm Chef Din and today I'm going to cook for you a chicken vindaloo. So in a hot saucepan, put in about a tablespoon and a half of seasoned oil. In that oil we want to put a little bit of garlic paste, what we've already made up, and then a little bit of green pepper, pepsicum they call it. Then put in your chicken and your pre-cooked potato. That's what defines a vindaloo. So when you see a curry with a piece of potato in it, you know it's a vindaloo. In that you put your chili powder as such, and then your gravy. That's it basically. We're just going to add a little bit of fresh squeezed lemon juice, and what I like to add is a little bit of Worcester sauce as well, which I find gives it a nice flavour. A little bit of fresh coriander, a little bit of methi. There you go. The vindaloo is done. Vindaloo is one of the most popular dishes in the Indian restaurant sector, and my method is the way we used to cook it in the restaurant, because we cook so many curries at the same time. We need to be very quick, and this curry from start to finish probably takes about 5 minutes or so, no longer than that, because we are cooking like 10 curries at a time, and we need to really get them out quickly and also make it tasty. So when we cook the gravy, our gravy is very tasty, our chicken is tasty, even our potato, which is pre-cooked, is tasty. So all we're doing is just putting the ingredients together and making our curries. Simple as that. So you'll find when you use my method that you find it so simple, and you wonder, why is it so complicated? Because curry shouldn't be complicated. And when we started cooking in the Indian restaurants back in the 60s and 70s, we had to devise a method of cooking that was quick and simple, and that's what we did. And this is how quick and simple it is really to cook BRI curries. Nowadays they make it more complicated. I'm not sure why, but this method you'll find is so simple. You can cook 2 or 3 curries at the same time without waiting for one curry to cook. As you can see, I'm just waiting for the sauce basically to thicken up, and once the sauce is thickened up, the curry is ready to go. And then once you put it in your dish, serving dish, just add a little bit of the seasoned oil on top to give it a bit of texture and colour, and that's it, job done. I hope you enjoy this vindaloo, because it is a delicious dish, and it's so easy to cook, you'll be surprised. So give it a go and let me know in the comments what you think of my method of cooking, because it's very important to me. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and help the channel grow, and also tell your friends about my method of cooking, because they will also be surprised how easy it is to cook restaurant style curries. So anyway, I must go. I've got a lot more cooking to do, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. See, if it lacks a little bit of oil, you add a bit of oil to give it colour and texture. Like that. You know, it just needs a bit of, to take that dullness away. See? No, it looks different. Yeah. Yeah.